Hello, this is Dr. R.K. Shweta. I have done my MBBS from RIMS Ranchi, followed by which I did my DCH from RML Hospital, New Delhi, and further I did my MD in Pediatrics from SCB Medical College, Cuttack, Odisha. So in this video, I will talk about the books which you should buy. This video has been made in two parts. The first part of this video, I will talk about the books which are needed in the initial 3 to 6 months of residency. In the second part of the video, I will try to cover the other books which will be needed further. So this video will be very helpful for the newly joined DCH, MD or DNB candidates. So let's start. So the first book which we all should have in the initial months of residency is Drug Dosage in Pediatrics by Dr. Meherban Singh. I will say it is the first and the most essential book which is needed. I have the book also. Let me show you. This is a book. This has been torn, but still it's helpful. You should always keep this book in your bag or pocket or wherever possible. Also try to keep its PDF in the mobile. It will help you for seeing the doses of the various drugs and about knowing the durations. Now there is another book also which is Harriet Lane, and it is also about drug doses, but from my personal experience I will say that Harriet Lane is actually not that much necessary because it's used very rarely, so better keep its PDF instead of buying it. Now second book which I will suggest to keep is OP-Ghai Pediatrics. I have this book also. It has also been torn, but still this is OP-Ghai book of Pediatrics. This book which we all have read in the MBBS days, and believe me, it will be helpful in the PG also. It will give you basic information about various diseases and their treatment. Few chapters are very good in the OP-Ghai book, which are electrolyte imbalance or severe acute malnutrition, or the chapter on metabolic disorders. They are very good in the OP-Ghai. If you compare it with Nelson, the Nelson has given it's so vast that sometimes it becomes very difficult to recapitulate it. So better keep OP-Ghai with you and buy it if you have not bought it already. The third book which I will suggest you to buy is the NICU, that is NICU protocols and PICU protocols from AIIMS. I will say they are the most important books which will help you in the residency, especially the NICU protocol, which comes in 2 volumes. I have the book also. These are the 2 volumes of book, NICU protocols. This book is given in very simple language and very easy to understand, and I always prefer it above Cloherty. Except few topics, this book is far better, far more comprehensive and far more easy to understand. Then there is PIC protocol also, which is also from AIIMS. This is PIC protocol of AIIMS. It's again torn, but still now I think a new edition has come of this book. This book is very helpful for managing basic emergencies. You have not to read it cover by cover, but many important topics you can cover from this book, and it will help you in emergency cases. Now the fourth book which I will suggest is again the book which we used in the MBBS, and that is this book, Clinical Pediatrics by Archume Lakshman Swami. Actually it's difficult to keep this book in theory or practical because the practical portion of this book is not that good according to me, but the theory portion is very extensive and in easy to understand language. So you will get basic information about all disease, how to take history, anthropometry from this book. So this book is also important. Now fifth and last book which I will suggest will be related to practical. So for practical there are mainly 3 books which you use. There is one from Meherban Singh, then from Piyush Gupta sir, and one is from Santosh Kumar. And among them I will suggest to use book by Santosh Kumar sir. This is the best book for practical. there are many diagrams, and they have given enough of the idea about how to write about diagnosis, how to approach a case, and the theory portion is also very good. This is the book. New edition has also come. It's very good book. You should read. You will enjoy it. So the completing it, I have suggested 5 or 6 books, I think. First is Drug Dosage by Meherban Singh. Second is OPK Textbook of Pediatrics. Third and fourth are NICU and PICU Protocol by Ames. Then Archuma Lakshman Swamy, and last one is Santosh Kumar book. Now these books are important in the initial days. In the upcoming days you will need more books like Nelson Textbook of Pediatrics, then Suchita Ranjit book. About that I will talk in this separate video. First, start your residency, keep help of your seniors, keep learning, and have these books. You will get benefited. In the next part I will tell more about Nelson, the coaching institute which you can follow, or the MCQ book which you can use for which will be of further help. Thank you.